Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I want to show you going up front here on your high chair, also known as your electric chair. So going up front on this piece of equipment is really awesome because I have these wood guides, so it really helps my foot know where to be in space. If you don't have these and you have to have imaginary vision on where the middle is and where the angle from the corner is. And that's just because you want to put your foot in the right place for going up front and going up side. Today I'm going to show you going up front. If you are looking at this exercise from the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcards, thank you. I've really enjoyed putting this whole deck together. If you've never heard of our cards, you can check out all of the cards we have at onlinepilatesclasses.com. So a lot of chairs don't have these guides, so you'll have to make sure that you use your mind to see where the center is, and for going up front, be just to the side of that. So first you want to place your hands on these handles, okay? This is going to be helpful for helping you get up into the space. It can feel really scary when you're up there. I have this nice beam here, so I could be in the middle of the room with this. However, you can also put this up against a wall and use your fingers on the wall, okay? So we take one foot, lean into the pedal, push it down, other foot comes on, okay? So now the feet are on the back edge of this pedal, so that as the pedal rises, I don't slip off into the front, I'm on the top of the pedal. Then I place my foot alongside that guide, and then I put my knee into the back of this chair. If you don't have the back of your chair and you're up against the wall, that's fine. Just make sure that your chair is really up against the wall. I don't want your knee going past your toes, right? So my toes and my knee are on the same line. Then I can place my hands here, or again, I can have them at the wall. Eventually, you can even reach your arms up away from this or have them behind your head, okay? So just know that brand newbie right here, eventually beginner intermediate can be here, and then you progress yourself to the one chair where you don't have these things. So without pressing down my arms, I'm going to push down through both of my legs. Back heel is up. I'm going to come up, and then I'm going to lower. I'm not going to rest at the bottom. On this one, I could get close to the bottom or tap down as long as I can keep everything engaged. Hands behind the head would look like this. And then once you're done with one side, you can place your hands on the handles, place both feet to the pedal, and then switch sides. Again, squaring the hips off, making sure that you're staying evenly across the ball of your foot and that the heel is lifted. If you have one side that's a little stronger than another, then you'll do that side first, your strong side, and then go back to that side. To dismount, very important, hands on the handles, one foot to the floor, you control the pedal up, and then your other foot can come down. Then you can go ahead and set up for other exercises on this chair. If you have questions about this exercise or any exercise we do at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.